You wake up thinking, today's the day I get my life together. 5 minutes later, you're still in bed, scrolling, thumb deep in memes, wondering why you have the self-control of a potato. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Motivation is a scam. You don't need to feel ready. You need a system so bulletproof that even on your laziest, most I hate my life day, you still win. And if you think you're too lazy for discipline, perfect. Because the method I'm about to give you was built for people exactly like you. I call it the 3-day discipline method. And once you try it, your brain won't have a chance to talk you out of it. Step 1. Win today. Forget new you in 90 days garbage. If you can't win today, you can't win the week. So for the next 24 hours, pick one non-negotiable habit. Not 10, not some perfect aesthetic routine. Just one. Even if you're sick, even if you're sad, even if the Wi-Fi dies and the world collapses, you do that one thing. This is your minimum standard, the bare minimum you show up for. And when you nail it, your brain starts whispering, wait, maybe we are that person now. Step 2. Make laziness impossible. You're not unmotivated, you're badly set up. Phone next to your bed? Put it across the room. Gym clothes in the drawer? Lay them out like a tripwire the night before. Your mission. Make it easier to do the right thing than to do nothing. Because discipline isn't about willpower. It's about booby-trapping your own laziness. Step 3. Bribe your brain. Discipline dies when it feels like prison. Do the hard thing. Then instantly hit yourself with a micro reward. Coffee, sunlight, music, even 5 minutes of guilt-free scrolling. Your brain goes, oh, that was kind of nice. Let's do that again. And that's how you turn hard habits into cravings. My story, the proof this works. I used to wake up at 10 a.m., already feeling like I'd lost. Then I made one stupid rule. When the alarm rings, I put both feet on the floor, drink water, before touching my phone. That's it. No magical 5 a.m. grind set. Within a week, I was waking up at 6 a.m., working out, reading, actually feeling alive. Not because I got motivated, but because I got consistent. You will fail. There will be days you crash and burn. But the difference between winners and quitters? Winners have a reset rule. One instant way to get back on track. Mine? Do my non-negotiable before my phone. No excuses. Mess up at 9 a.m. Reset at 9:05. No, I'll start tomorrow nonsense. If you want the full 3-day discipline playbook, the one that takes you from lazy, inconsistent, low energy to bulletproof in just 72 hours, click the video right now. Or stay exactly where you are, and next week will feel exactly like this one.